As men being to age, their ability to perform in bed drastically goes down. As a result of this, many men find that they are unable to please their partner in the same manner as they did before. This can lead to rifts in relationships and cause hurdles that one has to overcome. In their desperation, some men consider the aid of dangerous side effect-causing pills. However, these are far from the right choice. Instead, many are opting for a safer solution like Performer 8. This is a natural supplement that provides users with all the main things they may need to supercharge their sexual health. What is Performer 8? This is a natural supplement that works as a functional male enhancement formula. The supplement provides users with up to 9 natural ingredients, all of which have been tested and researched. The blend of ingredients here is able to provide a wide array of benefits to the user, including a boost to their stamina, libido, and penis size increase. The supplement offers users the ability to purchase it, without any risks, and try it out for themselves. If one is not pleased with the results, they can return the bottle and receive their money back without any issues. This makes it highly reliable and is a product that the creators truly are proud of. What makes Performer 8 the best natural male enhancement? Critical report released through link in the description below. How does Performer 8 work? The supplement uses a complex formula that is filled with tried and tested ingredients. These ingredients work together to bolster the health of its user. Users should be able to see effects and changes like an improvement to their stamina, as well as a boost to their sexual desire. In addition to this, many men have also noted seeing an increase in the length of their penis after consistent usage of this supplement. Furthermore, users should also notice an increase in their sexual confidence, as well as an overall willingness to perform in bed. These aspects have made the entire supplement a highly sought-after option and a consideration for many men who previously felt like they had no option left. It is worth noting that all the ingredients used in this product are science-based and natural. As a result, users will likely not have to deal with any sort of side effects or other such problematic issues. Performer 8 ingredients: 3,000 mg of Muirapuama extract. This is a herb that is known for boosting the erections of its users. Furthermore, users can attain a better libido due to it. 500 mg of ashwagandha. This is found in many regions of India and helps to reduce cortisol levels while boosting sexual performance. 12 mg of ferrous bisglycinate. This ingredient was part of a study that concluded that it assists in supporting blood flow. Proper blood flow is vital for long-lasting sexual health. While these are just 3 of the 9 total ingredients that have been added to the composition, they do highlight the major beneficial effects that this supplement is able to offer. Prices and packages of Performer 8. The following are the prices at which this supplement is available. $64.99 for a month's supply, containing 90 capsules. $129.99 for 3 months supply, containing 270 capsules. This package comes alongside 2 free bonuses. $194.99 for 6 months supply, containing 540 capsules. This package also comes alongside 2 free bonuses. The free bonuses are in the form of ebooks that assist users in discovering certain key secrets about their sexual health. By using these ebooks, users can learn how to improve their performance in bed while being able to boost their testosterone in a natural manner. It is worth noting that all of these packages come alongside a money-back guarantee. This is provided by the manufacturer and ensures that users are able to return the supplement and get their money back if they did not like the results. Special offer: buy Performer 8 for the lowest price online through link in the description below. Pros of considering this supplement: can be used without a prescription, as it is a dietary supplement. The added ingredients are natural and safe from any potential danger or harm to the user. The product currently has 0 known side effects. Thus, There is no need to worry about the safety of the product. With a 100% satisfaction guarantee, users are able to return the product if they are not pleased with the results. It is non-GMO and free of soy and includes a number of effective ingredients. Conclusion on Performer 8 review. Overall, this supplement has managed to come to the aid of many men who previously felt like they had no hope of revitalizing their sex life. Through its natural ingredients, it has assisted many men already. For more information, visit their official website. It has pricing details and more for interested readers who wish to get their own bottle. Visit the official Performer 8 website through the link in the description below.